So I'm seeing a lot more of these gear knobs breaking. You can kind of see it's cracked on the side there, and what happens is you can actually pull the gear knob up off it. So how to replace it is you get your hands underneath and you pull the gaiter up, and then you'll be able to pull this off. And you can see the couple of clips and the clips here. So you can normally just get your fingers underneath and pull it up without any tools, and the inside plastic part cracks, falls away. So you can also see the crack on the outside of the gear lever. So we have a genuine Volkswagen part here. Sorry, there's the part number there. And it gives you the new boot, and it gives you the new clamp there. So this part here breaks away on the other one. Pretty straightforward to fit. You just basically pop it on. This car is a 6-speed, but you can get 5-speed one. So don't order the part if you have the 5-speed or specifically for your model. And then what you need to do is you just need to clamp that. So you could potentially use just make sure it's down all the way. I'm gonna use a CV boot clamp, but you could probably use anything what would fit around it. Give us 1 second, I'll clamp it now. So yeah, you can kind of see it there. You don't need to go too crazy with it. I'm just doing it with one hand here, but yeah, you could use even side cutters or something like that. And then that's it. Once it's on, it's not coming off, and then you just press this down. Just make sure all your leather is all pushed around all the way, and it literally just pushes in. Now, too easy. Second one in 2 days.